Behold a world we often pass by and yet know very little of. The quiet power of ancient wisdom, the rhythm of the unseen, and the harmony of humanity. Let us pause, step back, and dive deep into the inner vision, a journey through ancient wisdom. Today the question is, what really is the essence of seeing beyond sight? Let's discover together. Across millennia, humans formed communities, civilizations, and cultures, united by one powerful instinct, a quest for understanding. But did you know that vision isn't limited to what the eye catches? True vision, as whispered in countless traditions, resides in the heart. A lens not of glass, but of empathy, connection, and spirit. Welcome to Scene 1. As the camera pans over deserts, rivers, mountains, it unveils their profound symbolism. The desert as an emblem of patience and persistence. Rivers, flowing reminders of movement and life. Mountains embody stability, grounded yet peaking toward infinity, while forests remind humanity of life's interconnected nature. Suddenly, we meet the King of the Kingdom of God, sitting on a divine throne of light, his voice booming with wisdom. He remarks, "Humans are the salt of the earth, a beautiful, cohesive blend like countless grains of rice." The depth of inner vision reveals itself in our embrace of diversity and purpose. Cut to Scene 2. Chief Seattle, one of history's most poetic voices, emerges. He underscores a profound truth. The earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. His message transcends time. Vision, he says, isn't merely a tool for observation, but a responsibility. His words touch a chord, don't you think? Immediately after, the camera transitions smoothly to Australia's Aboriginal lands. Here, a passionate elder speaks of the dreamtime. Our ancestors etched wisdom into the stars, the soil, the songs of the earth. But know this, true vision resides not in your eyes, but deep within your spirit. The beauty of interconnected reverence, it's palpable. Shifting now to Scene 3, the heart of Islamic tradition. In a serene mosque setting, Imam al-Ghazali presents the Prophet Muhammad's profound words. "The most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to others," echoes his voice, making us reflect. Beneath divine unity, wisdom exhorts us to love, to protect creation, and to build bridges of compassion. Such teachings are timeless, aren't they? Cue Scene 4. A soft cinematic filter introduces us to the quiet world of Buddha in a tranquil temple. Each word is measured, profound. As if speaking directly to you, the Buddha intones, "The true path to enlightenment arises not in celestial realms, but deep within the essence of your spirit." Recall this, we are shaped by our thoughts. What we think, we become. The message feels both intimate and universal, a nudge to explore inward for light and clarity. The final scene. 5 pulls them all together, a vibrant mosaic of cultures, people joined in soulful practices like meditation, dialogue, and communion with nature. Through shimmering hues of unity, the King of the Kingdom of God's voice returns. Across beliefs, wisdom repeats itself, a vision unseen by the eyes, yet powered by a compassionate heart. This sight is life's unifying bond. Everyone here, every single one of you, is salt to this earth. Diverse, yet bound by one humanity. His words linger, echoing as soft music elevates their resonance. The screen darkens. The ancient drumbeats of universal connection fade as these parting words appear. Inner vision is mankind's binding force, a timeless truth carved into every culture. Dare to embrace yours. Until next time, journey deep into wisdom and unity, where humanity intertwines with purpose.